Hello everybody, welcome back to the 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily update offline maps on your XPeng vehicle. So first, we're gonna go and open up our gear icon. Here in the gear icon, in the navigation, we're gonna scroll down until we see the others section. Right at the bottom, we get the offline maps management. And as you guys can see, here we have the maps. And you may be wondering how do you update them, because even if you click here you see download, update and delete offline maps. Now this is a little bit of a trick here, because if you are on the latest version of the maps, then you won't see anything. So you will have your maps, but as you guys can see, they're here. You cannot update them. They are updated, and once you basically check here, if there's an update available, then it will automatically update it for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.